Hello guys, welcome to the video of Health Spot. The toilet is one of the most used seats in your home, which means it requires a certain level of attention when it comes to cleaning. But it doesn't take tons of time or loads of elbow grease to get that porcelain throne sparkling clean. We will show you a trick in this video that will help you keep your bathroom clean. Let's take a detailed look at it. Please watch till the end. You will get a bonus tip at the end of the video. Have you ever heard of the trick of putting garlic into the toilet? Today, with our fast-paced lives, it is difficult to require time to wash and organize our house. Some tasks are easy to try for people, but caring for the toilet is not that simple. Did you recognize that the bathroom is one of the places that accumulate the most important fungi and bacteria? To clean the toilet, people are using very strong chemicals that are often harmful to health. To do it in a more natural way, we will show you a trick in this video that will help you keep your bathroom clean with garlic. Have you ever considered it? See now how to disinfect your bathroom with clove and garlic. Before bedtime, peel a clove and place it inside your toilet. Leave it there overnight, and the next morning flush it. Perform this procedure a minimum of twice a week, and always in the dark, since this is when the least amount of toilets is used. Garlic will help with its antimicrobial and antifungal powers. Another good option for disinfecting the bathroom, and one that offers quick results, is to use garlic tea. Learn how to form it. Boil a cup of water on a frying pan. Once it starts to boil, cut 3 garlic cloves into small pieces and put it into the water. Turn off the stove, close the frying pan, and let it sit for a quarter of an hour. Then pour the tea into your toilet. Like the main advice, it is best if you are doing it right before bed when the toilet is going to be used less. These 2 tricks are the fastest way to disinfect your toilet and flush bacteria naturally, and it also removes those yellow spots around the toilet. Now here is your bonus tip. Remove the nasty stains from your toilet bowl with lemon juice and essential oil. Lemon juice is known to whiten surfaces and, thanks to its acidic properties, it can help remove any yellow staining and calcium buildup, although some scrubbing will still be needed. To get the best results, here is how to proceed. 1. Use a clean spray bottle. 2. Add 1 cup of lemon juice mixed with at least 10 to 15 drops of essential oils. We recommend you use lemon, tea tree oil, lavender, which work well against mold formations. 3. Spray the entire toilet bowl, focusing on the stains. 4. Scrub thoroughly for a while and then leave it on for about 15 minutes. 5. Flush and inspect. 6. If you still see yellowing or any more visible signs of rust or other stains, then repeat the procedure. Thanks for watching. If you found something useful in this video, please like, share and subscribe.